y'all, it's Lisa with Hobbie Time. Welcome back to another fun video of unboxings. Lots of fun things with me. Alright, so let's get into it. So, not as many as my last one. Just a quick one. Alright, so we got another one of these. Hopefully, we don't get another Daisy Duck. That's who we opened last time. Let's see who we have this time. Oh, guys, we got Stitch. Oh, he kind of looks like his ears are on his cheeks, but he's cute. We got Stitch, guys. That's supposed to be his tail. I like him. I don't like that their tags are so huge, but that's okay. We got a Stitch. That's cute, which is good because I got some more of these because it's the Feed Me ones. I didn't get any more of the Series 1. This is what we got last time from the Feed Me. We got the hot dog and the pizza from last time. So I'm going to leave these guys over here so we can see, and hopefully we don't get any dupes, but we'll see. Got a couple more of these odd avocados. We have a whole bunch. So to refresh your memory, dude, I just drop them everywhere. Refresh your memory. Remember, we got the blue guy, we got this red guy, the tongue. So we're looking for a metallic one of those. We got the zombie and the shark, and we got that awesome dragon. Remember? Okay, so just kind of little mind refresher. But if you want me to open these and everything else like that, you go to my other video and watch that. So, we're going to go open some of this up, okay? Let's open these guys up. I was wanting some of these, more of these. I'm hopefully getting some of the rares or whatever. Why can't these just be nice? Okay. Oh my gosh. What are the odds? What are the odds? We got another dragon, guys. Or, yeah, I guess he's a dragon. Got another one, though. As soon as I say, we don't want dupes. Ta-da! We got another dragon. He's still really cool, though. Still really cool. Alright. And they do come up with a list. Oh my gosh, it's a new one. It's a new one. Okay. Check it out, check it out, check it out. We got a new one. So exciting. These eggs are everywhere. I'm just kind of throwing them all to the side, but my trash can over here is full from other videos. So, super excited. Okay, he's just common, but look! Mustache Man and his little derby. Oh, he's got the little bumpies. I like how they added texture to him. He's hard plastic, but he's new. Oh, he's got the mustache. I wanted the mustache guy. I need to get this baker's guy, but I want that one. I guess we didn't get the hyper rare Mustache Man. He's like the younger version because this guy's like gray, and we got the young guy. So, super awesome, but also really cool that we got the bonus figure twice now. So that's pretty cool. All right, it's exciting. Let's open this up. Now we got the Game Boy and Game Boy Advance last time. I wanted the NES controller. Let's see. Come on. Yay! We got my NES controller with the squishy buttons. This is super cute. Absolutely love it. The A, can you see that? The A and the B button on here. Oh, this is super adorable. A little scratched. Oh, no it's not. No it's not. It's just got some fluff or something in there. Anyway. Super cute. Absolutely love that. Absolutely love that. That's great. Get these at Five Below if you have a old school gamer in your life. Or any gamer, because it's just fun to have. Alright, see which one we get now. And another new one. Oh my gosh, it actually flips open, guys. Look. Ta-da! Super, super great. Nintendo 3DS. I used to have one of these. Where's the... Okay. Super cute! So 2 more new ones. Absolutely loving it. Alright, now here comes the challenge. Which ones of these did we get? Because there's definitely a rare in here, remember? So we're looking for a rare. Always looking for rares. I mean, I guess we were looking for rares so much that we got a dupe of the bonus figure. So on the food one, we're looking for the sparkly Stitch that's holding a donut. So that's what we want. I like these little containers. Doesn't look sparkly to me, but he's adorable. He's so adorable. He's holding what looks to be a snow cone. I don't know why they picked it to be like the same color as him. They could have changed it. Maybe they just like have excess blue paint. But he's cute. So cute. The Feed Me Stitch series. Let's see, I get this. The Snow Cone Stitch. I don't even know which one I would really super want as my favorite, but they're all really cute. Let's see what else. I just can't pass these up. I got these ones at Walmart. Rip that right out of my hands. Just won't open nice, huh? The other series, like the series 1, where it's just like the other ones, the series 1 Stitch ones. I got those at Five Below. So okay, another. Oh, he's so cute. I just can't get over Stitch. Look at him. Face first into this. Just nom 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 nom. So adorable. These guys are so cute. So here we got. He is face first into this cupcake Stitch. Don't mind my dog drinking in the background. Just keeping hydrated. A lot. Alright, so let's see who else we have here. Oh! You see that? Nom nom. At least he's using his teeth for good. That's Pineapple Stitch here. So adorable. Gonna have a whole shelf of Stitches. Put it along the wall or something. In the movie Stitch or any of their series, do you guys have a favorite character? Like Blinkley was always kind of funny. I always kind of liked him because he was just like kind of dumb, like naively. Him and Jumbo. I liked them. really doesn't want to open. I have a feeling we're about to have a really fluffy visitor here. He's thinking about it. He's really thinking about jumping up here. Okay, good. He had second thoughts. Okay. Ice cream. Super cute. Oh, so cute. I like that we got... Oh, we're done. I was thinking we had one more to open. Okay, so we got no dupes. This is fantastic. Oh my gosh. I need more. I'm going a little crazy for these. So we have ice cream, pineapple, pizza, snow cone, hot dog, and cupcakes. We need cookie and coconut. Oh, coconut's cute. Look, I mean, he has like a little skirt. Really cute. Potato chips. He's got his whole face in there. Oh my gosh. So this is today's haul. Obviously these are the older ones, but today, here, we'll scoop these out. Technically, this is today's haul. It was very Stitch Day. This is today's haul. What do you guys think? I think it was quite the win. Alright. Subscribe, follow, and share with your friends. And let me know which ones you guys liked. Comment below anything else you want to mention if you see other things you want me to get. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.